Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to change fonts, sizes, and colors in Microsoft Word. These formatting tools help create emphasis, structure, and style within your document, making it look more professional and easier to read. Let's start with changing the font size. To adjust the size, select the text you want to change. On the Home tab, in the Font group, you'll see a box for font size. Click the drop-down arrow and pick the size you want, or type a number directly into the box and press Enter. If you just want to make quick adjustments, use the Increase Font Size or Decrease Font Size buttons, shown with a big A and a small a with arrows. Each click will raise or lower the size step by step. Now let's move on to changing the font style or the font. The font is simply the typeface used to display your text. To change the font, first select the text you want to modify. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and look for the Font group. Click the drop-down menu for fonts, and you'll see a full list of available styles. You can scroll through the list or type the name of a font if you know it. Once you click on the font you want, Word will instantly apply it to your selected text. Finally, let's talk about changing the font color. This is a great way to highlight key points or add personality to your document, but it's best used carefully so your text stays easy to read. To change the color, first select the text. On the Home tab, in the Font group, look for the Font Color button. It's represented by the letter A with a colored bar underneath. Click the drop-down arrow next to it, and you'll see a color palette. Choose from the available colors, or click on More Colors if you'd like more advanced options or want to create a custom shade. As soon as you make your selection, the new color will be applied. And that's it. You've now learned how to change fonts, sizes, and colors in Microsoft Word. With these tools, you can add structure to your writing and make your document stand out. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next lesson.